Alright guys, today on whatever channel this is, we got our cold snack and we're going to go ahead and start working on the Chevy. Today we're going to do paint the valve covers, possibly the air cleaner later, haven't decided yet. And then, see, we got this oil cooler hose here and here. One of them's bad and it's puking oil. But I got both of them because it was like 44 bucks for both of them, 25 for one and then 15 for the other, something like that. So I grabbed both of those. And I got somewhere around here a can of red paint. I don't even know where I put it at this point. Right there. There we go. Took me a minute. And we're going to paint these valve covers. And I'll decide if I have enough to do the air cleaner later. But that'll give this thing a little bit of some shine. But for now, I'm going to start working on these oil cooler lines because that's the most important problem right now because it's undrivable very far because it pukes oil quickly. Alright, as you can see, I got both of these lines off up here. And so, people are going to be wondering, why don't you just find the one that's leaking? Because I don't want to do this again because I just changed oil in this truck right before I stopped the motor and it has probably about 1,200 miles on this oil. And I don't have to play this game again, so I'm just going to do it right now, get her done. So, we got the lines off. Make sure you put a drain pan down below, because it will leak oil upwards of 2 quarts, because you got to drain out all the oil out of the radiator. But make sure it's draining. But while it's doing that, I'm going to go wait, and then once we get under there, it's going to be really hard to show you, since I can't get light under there barely. But I'll try my best. Alright, so see you guys in a minute. Here's the parts, door and part number 625-142, and the other one is 625141. See how long these things are? Speaking of this wood splitter, the other day I had this thing out, as you can see, a little bent there, right? Piece of knotted pine hit this and squished her, so I'm going to build new ones out from here out to the wheels with plow markers on them so I can actually see this thing behind my truck. Got the Farmertech saw, that's doing good. But now, I'm going to go back to work on that turd. So, when using your phone as a flashlight, yeah, also as a camera, don't leave it in the path where you're going to get oil on it. I would never do that. Oh yeah, I just stuck my phone down with 5W30. That's nice. Line's off though, but it's making a nice mess. Since I was having to use 2 hands to pull on it, and it shot oil everywhere. So now we're gonna go ahead and keep making a bigger mess just to fix it. Alright, so new lines are in. Hard to see. I'm low on oil, so I'll get oil. Probably another filter and just do another oil change. I will be painting those valve covers and possibly the air cleaner next video because, as you can see, lightly oiled. We can't really see on camera, but my arm's like 2 different colors. That goes for both of them. Yeah, it's a messy job because there's those stupid plastic clips that don't want to work. So then you're standing there fighting while it's dripping oil on your flipping face. Here's the parts. One there, one there. They're ridiculous. I gotta tell you guys. Oh, I gotta put those back on still eventually. But I'm out of cold snack. I'm irritated at this turd. It's been difficult today. It fought me the whole way. I made a mess on the shop floor. So, I'll be back. I'll probably do the next video tomorrow on painting the valve covers and stuff. Because I'm done for today. Also need oil, so I can't move it out of the shop. Shop pipe. Alright guys, if you liked the video, like and subscribe. If you want to see more, turn on the bell so you can see whenever I upload. Help me get to 100 subs for that Yeti giveaway. It's a bigger version of those. Alright, have a good one.